Okay, ni medical can say yakasa bebre wo enema ni bi oni akosu yakasa na mo kasa obu o a se na wukunu ne wo kasa kra nti wo pese obekọ fie ni na e mental health nti meti na medwin say me sure say manfo dream wo say ene mental health no e do so pa because o check wo dia no wo say hefa na mesumi a fever nti e multi-dimensional.
Okay.
I know I can quite be brave on first one I be can honey emotional part of it.
All right.
I'm sure say no a man for be brave nim sa part no. Say o atinkamu asem say o emotions to say.
Right.
O feel say why boson usro mu and say why confused. Why dwen ya wontanta sa emotions ni na no. One aspect of mental health.
Oh, okay.
Now, what I would say is that components na one 6.
Okay.
Yedika ka emotions no. Atenka no. Na
just say you see ehihye atenka kura.
O hihye atenka but say woti wan kasa won ho ase. Na obeti obi kura so atenka ase na wetimi adanda no.
Okay.
Na emotions no. Sometimes na BBSC.
Okay.
Why bosan?
Okay.
When ninja, ubisa say na den na ekoso yi. Nini na ye emotional part of mental health no.
Right.
It is na obesimi I express here fa ye ka anger management. Anger na ka mental health no. Because anger so ye ebufuo emotion. Na ye cause psychological. Na ba Jamaica and some psychological they say mental health no sa components we ni na no ba ko forma na chese ni na no affect other places interrelated it is ba ko strength was true so even say obufu ya na so obufu ya kwa no utimi e ka asem ni ye uni oni pa ko no ma ka asem no mo relationship na you okay we okay. Okay, about psychological, or thinking cry okay.
Okay.
Uko adwuma ma unwi say make way then obeka.
Okay.
If you say it's me a movie past say emotional part now.
Right.
Na baby into it is psychological part no.
Right.
Your thinking, your perception. Send ya usi hu ade fa. E na akosu e ka no. Oye ko nanim usuro. Enti ere wo na sisa idea odi ama o. Better na mu ye business.
Right.
What start akoye wo die wo baby.
Right.
Just I thinking no.
And quite your competition.
Okay. And then self-image. Say na usi hu fa. And no na dey issues we ni na aba no.
Say na nipa no esi hihye ono a ohun hu fa.
Yes.
Self-image and your psychological be.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So thinking, perception, self-image, and a problem solving.
Say na usi eso eniema no te se bia asem bia
aba say na mesimi adwen ho ahihye ho say na mesimi esi ano kwan.
Okay.
And only the psychological component of your mental health.
Right.
It is a problem be say ye man for tie ya. Who can definition of WHO no. One of the aspects is to be able to realize your abilities.
Right.
So betimi ahihye niema na wetimi akọ school so ye business be so bet sense na wadwen ho na wa yes ade ni na.
Okay.
And the psychological aspect no say problem bi abadwuma ma so betimi attense say okay problem ye fi hin say na si betimi aye no which people are involved in the situation.
Okay.
Ni na ka psychological component of mental health.
Wow.
Na me ma tie for ba ko so nka ho social
ne dey
and only their relationships. Baby a wo busua, wadwuma yefo, oma oni omu ye adwuma, wa sorry for because we are a social being.
Right.
Yeni nipa na bedi inkita hudie
anasane. Woni nipa na te.
Yes.
Woni nipa na kasa. Woni nipa na inkita ho.
Yes.
Jese hu eno so mu nyansa.
Yes.
Okay.
And na de bia wo ka asem bi say everybody cannot be against you.
Right.
And see, definitely when young crophobia, mental health no and adreno nye Enti wo ye den.
Okay.
Omo be bia.
Obey will be my national.
Wani nje.
Alright.
But I was who say the same way as ankrofo no ebetimi ama wani age ubuefu anasa ora ho no. Ebi susu betimi ama wani age.
Right.
Enti I was who say your ability to connect, your ability to be with other people no.
Right.
And also boapa enti hwehwe mu ache say bibi a friend is social support.
Okay.
So what how be mu
na wonya afoforo
emo and so you very very important.
Person ti home you.
Social support.
Wonya afoforo eboa wo.
And it's in as a even say ye bia ba asema to a ukọbọ nkrọfa mane osi o ma o adam foforo nti asem ni si ye no wa bo we amane wa ba simesi amane adenti yenim se support bi
wonso na wo mpeni pe wonso na won nkrofo kwi wonso na won kasa wonso na da bia won nkrofo enya akansie enti wo
na kwa na be kofom
and I have a gas and me say if you fight everyone will fight you. So when the bia when obi edi ekwa obi so no obi anonso if you fight everyone will fight you.
Yeah.
And the one person on me papa social support no when you asomasi ko when you bentenko obi asamoto na onke obi nya asamia onko obi beka na asamachewa onfan serious.
Yeah.
And the yes no you are diminishing your social resources.
Social
is that correct?
Resources, yeah.
Absolutely. What they call them. And the ebra obi here say for
ebeboa no now so and I me anku nam and asem to me ko bi amma osusu nkonkro for there
osusu nkonkro for there
de bia ye ka say program here biblical and then psychological
right
nyankopon no boy no say it is not good for man to be alone
right.
And it's a open reason bia na social de and me tina me baby. Yes, now Zusu no. Jesus and Anyame now sorry I'll bonity no say it's not good for man to be alone.
Right.
So don't be alone.
Right.
Yeah, spiritual.
Okay.
It's another aspect of your mental health. Say obu oha.
Just yes. Okay.
And sense of purpose. Identity na me worry as. Very, very serious aspect
of mental health.
Yes, so me Christian, but you are always looking forward to something.
Okay.
Make a mark and I say, make sure say abrabona obono, a boa obi, a more because we spiritual component.
Right.
And so be so me shed anti abrabona say. Adenti na me wa ha say
meaning crisis
nini na ka ho wenye sika wasi dan o wenwuma nso na ni nje why am I here and they be ankofo ba hen chen e be kasa nsem ni chen say oh I have everything anka say aduani amedi atare amehye you know nyema e friend the basics of life me wo but what are my values then na my brabo no and tiasie be in the womb. Edimwana, why na me influence?
Ediana me hold no.
Yeah.
In high esteem say bia obrano e cap values are. Just say eniema a sombo, eniema e hian. Values be integrity said ye obesi abo wabraba abrabo tren ne papa e be truth no correct. E be ono e be value ba kono say offer nipa odi obuma nipa e be value ba kono say me feel ye ndi atro e bonipa. And they won't know what you are living for. Only values be are. What's your also your spiritual?
Yes, spiritual components of mental health.
Wow.
And then also the problems, Papa. You bear Christo for more. Maybe when Pakona go through challenges, baby. Say, what is this life all about? We are secret. Yeah, but Jay, now will be some. And to who are you members who are drinking at the now? Yes, meaning I am mental health. Yenfa behavioral no so senior oni yefa oni ye senior
oni ye o se toto niema
say maybe asem to a one of the definitions no WHO no
yeah
or see the ability to cope with normal stresses
so what me
of life say niema
akukuhia senior ye bia no okay
stress no kwa dey bi o kwa nya ade kese because Even say daily hassles.
Okay.
Say traffic 2 hours with him.
Obefua obe wuntam.
And you're not TikTok you who scrolling left, right, center. Or the manage you.
Okay.
Coping habits. Say even just a day no, maybe say na wo share. Say o compare just kenkebi o koya esa. When you bring so your program na mo ye here maybe 50 pieces are mo de koye program. One friendly panentem, how will you cope? It's behaviorally no so mental health no so any or choices. And no cry the only associating one person. So to me and making good choices like I say
Usijina ya sin
me nya dear way. May way. Insano mejai. And my sem no mejai. School na me wono. Messia dear.
We know Mantiano. We need cocaine in the kind of balcony. Red,
Tramo, red. Nini na self-control,
ability.
A bufua badie na so menya abutse. Nini na because a hunsu sanso no e ba ba affect mental health no.
Wow.
Na lastly no, ye di twa to okra no, occupational. Wajuma. So utimi ko adwuma na wo ye ne wo se wo ye. Utimi sua ade na ye ko training. Say be 1 week ni ye sua new technology bia ye de be ye adwuma no. Utimi sua. Utimi concentrate. Ade na ya ka say ni na ye no ABC no.
Okay.
Wo start from D ko C ana.
That's not me who I mean where Sarah.
It's better say bia. So also who say ana BBT.
Yeah, assessor. Yeah, assessor. Yeah, fan say I be say appraiser.
Yeah.
And your bosses ehun say they be appraisal bia no otosini. Yeah, ba kon otosini. E mienu otosini. Constantly. And answer bia o she boss bia say. Boss ni high-handed. The team what day.
Yeah.
When you be a onyabo trade man. Until wo kwa adwuma no kwa oh yeah, dear, you are working on eggshells. I said, hey, Mamintia, you now one shot, I'm not going to some one shot.
It says, I want to me contribute to a human. O say, I made a joke or car, Yabeka say intimate ho. Me go cacrani, Yabeka say my essay. Into you're not even giving your best. Want to me, money nine.
American as me also because a man takramana bomb. Just say, you destroy innovation.
Yeah. And now kind of psychological safety. And see, Sanema winning so bit me contribute to be productive. Na adwuma na wo ye no, wo the idea bi ba na ya fa na utim SOMPA na wo ye. Ni na ka mental health.
Na presa papa mu kakra man say ya empanyfo bi na obehu na nipa no oye adwuma ho na especially bi oba na o harass no and na promotion about media ma catch us one man back on the idea forget it and no
harassment
Ghana
harassment enti o tete no because of opposition no o the power tete maybe a young lady a born in homodin or ye ne ho sua de adwuma bia od be ye ma no say one man the deadline na o meet Sanya ma we na fansa wo fa sa de we numa wo kwa adwuma kwa se rade utika mu koni na minja adwuma yi unya akra nka adwuma na maybe etua usika kese ba unya sika kitua bi kwa oba bi kwa oba kwa kwhye obi se adwia obetimi de atena se aye free na nka baby a wadu promotion se me promotion beba na metimi akomanim na mesusu afoforo ba metimi a che omo no obi aye god tena so so on man ko bani muda and sane ma wani na affect mental and me di kan ka say baby 6 components say baby ko forma e affect another brofum ye beka say is interrelated. Wow. And say adwuma when inji wa adwuma ma emotions no there's no why emotions be ye obeye sad all the time. Wow. Obeye busa untimi kwampo enya perception yes ade we me ni say and I say adwuma mu kwa untimi ni nkofo he de enya nkita hudie because obi kwa ka say boss no kwa na girl no esusu na ntisa na nkofo afa ho adwen ofa ai na nse wa start hye ntare bi ope a favor na nini na enti one aspect na ekofoma kan who say affect other aspects enti in a conversation no there enka say oh me there bibia e okay adwuma na ya minya problems aka adwuma na onya problems aka so ba fia no wa wani mbusa won ka say obi ha
and pesa ye ngina ho kakra some bosses for that wo ye de mo yi wo bosses yi a abaya bi e wadwuma mu young man be we say kwa de ka sexual harassment and men akra so ka ho
ai side cocks and side chicks
side chicks na ne boss gina so o promotion ba ma catch you say me no yi birbi wo say ma me no ye ene me catch you onko ani mu da na saa nkrofo no so den na ye mo eye boss no what is wrong with them
so mental health and nkoyi
okay
na making kind of make us risk of mental health so be benya mental health issue no if you never bebre
okay
obu ho a na wusu no enkoyi ya dika acheche I think last week so awusu ada personality adwin a wo de dwin fan ne ma ho and I say experience be a wenya wo wiasim
okay
maybe
who prebi a ofem no
who ko anim no obi tan wani into so so wa be boss no ene ene so mecho eno I was senior high school pa
okay
ya me boni into me so ma be senior me so me ba be bi
enkura na won dey
into so mental health no enko ye hu no say o perception enko ye your thinking pattern enko ye say ahaye adwuma mu
ye adwuma
I was so
ya dey faso ba
I was so hu baby a odi niam abetutu said this is a workplace ye wo baby a ye hihye niam na fa behaviorally ani bi na ye ka no uni ye choices so also hu say nia we den odi niam abetutu na kwam nti hunu say enye ho e na oba be enjoyment enye obi ba wa be ye adwuma na oba be ye enjoyment
the abuse of power
yes.
and the workplace kwano constitute a poor mental health
oh yes absolutely
o to me
now who abusing
who send you use never
yes
enkoyi
ni na your choices
ni me pese o si ho obi ho to me
oh to me
na send you because adwuma no I no na e penyin ho ona da sister no na won e hye na se and the sister bi wo ha o hye na se and the to me no I also ode esiesie ebi a
now ma omo show us esu etum ko na no now so ka o ma she and sometimes so insecurities here I can say osuro obi ye die etwetem so obi ko na nim kakra ene meka se minim say e be ka say osi na me read devotion bi
right
o say meka ne before say celebrate others without resentment
just say obi ya de pa mo wani nye ne ho bonaba so amamene mfibia entachi
enka ho because na we devotion ti no say recognize who say or say every victory at the end of it all belongs to God
just say enkwani ni bia pa nyame de enya nipa na de
enti say environment bia
powerful person powerful
environment bia say me komanim me team member konanim adenti na at the end of the day no say ye a reporter ye check every department then omo say no mo bomb ho modern if we say marketing ko here IT dey we ni na nko yi because marketing for na ekoton na disika aba na dey ato na wo hwehwe say dey odi be ye adwuma
this is mama na me mbie lines no man for